Hi everyone, I so appreciate you stopping in to see what I am up to. And I have two Walmart beauty boxes. They used to do like Classic and Trendsetter. Now they're just classifying them as beauty boxes. So I still get two. It's probably going to stay that way. So the Walmart beauty boxes are basically free beauty boxes. You're just paying the shipping. Used to be $5 and these are seasonal. Used to be $5 for shipping. Now I think it's $7.99-ish, something like that. They do offer men's boxes occasionally, different themed boxes occasionally. They're usually about $14. And I think you get a few more like fuller size products. This is mainly samples, occasional full size. And you receive 5 items. And these are basically items that you can get at Walmart. So we have both boxes. We'll do one at a time, obviously. And I already took the little labels off just to save myself some time. And this is what I see inside this box. And I like now that they revamped their boxes a little bit. You get like a little booklet, and at least it gives you something about the product, which is not really that big of a deal personally. A little information sheet, so we'll just get right in. I have a product from Cetaphil, and this is Extra Gentle Daily Scrub. That's always nice to have. Full size is $14.49, and it's 3 ounces, and these little things are like 0.3. Yeah, 0.3. So they're little samples, but great way to try it and see if that is, oh no. This is, I'm sorry, it's 6 ounces for a full size, and it's $7.94. Wrong item. There's another Cetaphil item, and it's a sheer mineral sunscreen, SPF 50. That's nice. This is $14.49, and the full size is 3 ounce, and this is the same 0.35. So slightly bigger, but not by much. Very, very little. So Cetaphil's a good brand. I'm not unhappy with that at all. And oh, something from Wet n Wild. This is Big Papa Bye Bye Limp Lashes. Where's that on here? So full size is $4.99, and this is a little sample. How does this open? Oh, that's cute. Tiny little sample in there. See, I love stuff like this. This is great to take away. How much mascara do you need? I mean, if you're going away for a week, I don't know if this would be sufficient, but a bigger one might be. But this could carry you for a weekend. I'm not going to open this just because, and obviously it is black. Back in the day, I used to experiment with the colored mascaras, and I'm kind of looking into some of them again. They always were fun. Happy to have that. I have not tried that, so I'm not going to be angry at that. And for $4.99 for a full size, you really can't beat it. And I would assume that it looks like this. The full size might look like it has more of the crown on the label, where this one, it just looks like a label. I mean, I could be wrong. You never know. I have not seen it. The next item, which is, I'm not a big fan of Suave anymore, but new Suave Pink 3-step hair regimen shampoo conditioner. Full size is $4.98 for each bottle, which is probably about right. They're usually pretty cheap. And a smoothing cream, full size is $4.98. So these are little, like 0.4 ounces, sulfate free with ammonia acid complex. I don't know what that means. I mean, they're little tiny, I don't know if you can see from a side profile, little tiny like packs, but you know what, I might try it. Like I said, I have not used Suave just because I use more professional level shampoo and conditioner. I think it makes a huge difference, but I'll give it a try. I'm not going to be mad at that. Let's see what this is. Oh, Listerine chewable tablets. Whole mouth clean, feeling on the go. So that's there. Where's that in here? Listerine Ready tabs. Full size is $5.97. You get 24 tabs. And here we have a sample of 8. And this is the back. So they're full size little tabs, I'm sure. Lift to open. Let's see what that. Yep. Lift to open, and then you just pop them through. So that's not bad. I'll give them a try. Chew to transform from a solid to a liquid in seconds. Oh, that's interesting. 0 alcohol, sugar-free. Chew, swish, and swallow. Okay, well, that's on the go. That's good. Ooh, what is this? Do we have a full-size product in here? From Clean Beauty, an avocado hemp butter sleep mask. What is this? Clean Beauty avocado hemp butter sleep mask, full size, $9.97, and this is 2.0 ounces, and this is right there. It says it. So this is full size. I don't know if this has a topper on it or yeah, this has a seal, so I'm going to leave it sealed just because I'm not real big on sleep masks, so I probably will share that. So this was not great in my opinion, but not horrible. I love Cetaphil, and this almost makes it worth it for me. Plus the mask. I mean, I could use that. I don't know if I will. I doubt it very, very much. But not horrible. I mean, I think it was Walmart. One season, and it was a summer box. And this is probably the summer box. I'm sorry. I'm trying to think. It was 2-3 years ago, the whole box was foil packs. It was like, what are you doing? I mean, granted, it was free, $5 for shipping, but they've never done that again after that because, ooh, I think so many people complained. So this is what box number 2 looks like. You know, same card, and it's the same items. It looks like I got a few different items. So real fast, I'll just show you the Cetaphil sunscreen that we got, and then the gentle scrub from Cetaphil. They're the same. And then we got the same Suave sample pack, which is okay. Ooh, another one of the Listerine packs, so I'm not angry at that. Then it looks like there's the last 2 items are different, and this is from Dollar Shave Club. This is shave butter, translucent for precision, for sensitive skin. That is, full size is $6.97, which is 6 ounces, and this is 1 ounce. So that's a big tube for the price. So that's not bad to try. And then here I have something from NYX. Bear with me, and this is cannabis sativa seed oil. Oh, this is a primer. NYX Bear With Me Cannabis Radiant Primer. Full size, $14, 1 ounce. And this is 1 ounce. So let's see what this looks like. See, like, so then it's worth the money because you're getting, well, this is nice. I'll give that a try. I love trying different primers. I tried a primer, and I don't remember the brand because I threw it out and it's gone. It was in a little pot, and we had gotten it in some box. And I tried it. It was a primer. And I couldn't figure out why my face was so itchy. Just in the area, because I don't put primer on my forehead, like under here. Like, it's almost T-zone with skip in my forehead. I don't put primer on my forehead. Some people do. I do not. It's more here, like my nose, chin a little bit, like cheek-wise, but not much. And I was constantly itchy. And what? It's not. I use the same top products, you know, the same foundations and this and that, and I've never had an issue and couldn't figure. I'm like, what am I using? Thought maybe it was like the makeup wipes, and I'm like, but I've been using them forever. And then I realized, oh, I for about a week or 2 was using this primer to see if I liked it, and it was decent, but I itched, and I figured, oh, okay. And that's why if you add too many products at once, you don't have a clue what is causing irritation. Now, I had no redness, bumps, anything like that. It just itched. My face itched. I wanted to rip the skin off my face. That hit the trash, and it was last week. I meant to save it so that I could show you, and I don't even remember the brand. And it was a little tiny pot. If I think of it, I'll put it in the description box, but I had just itched. It was horrible. I'm like, why am I constantly itching my face? And I'm like, this is ridiculous. It was the primer, so that hit the trash. So I'm just going to stick with brands that I know. I mean, like this, I will give it a try, and if I notice anything in a day or 2, then it will go, because I'm not, you know, primer is right at your skin. It's, you know, basically beyond your moisturizer and all that other good stuff that you put on in the morning or the evening. You know, you're putting a primer on top and it's getting in, and it was irritating. So I'm going to be super careful with that. I'll read. This shouldn't have a problem with. I've used NYX primer in the past and have not had a problem. So we'll see how that goes. But these two are the Walmart beauty boxes. And like I said, I do believe these are the summer boxes. Another quick look at the two boxes. I enjoy getting these. Like I said, I enjoyed them more when they were $5, but I'm good with the $7.99. I think that's what they charge. And you do go onto walmart.com and sign up. And I always leave a direct link in my description box for Walmart beauty box. So if you click on it, it takes you right where you would sign up for the beauty box. I know there's no wait list or anything like that for Walmart. You just sign up. Now, you probably, I don't know if you would sign up now and get the summer box, if you would have to wait for the next one. I don't have that information, but I think these are great little boxes to get if you live in an area that you can get them. I know not everybody can. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you're all having a great day, and I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.